Good depth. Oh. Yep, go. Good depth. Oh. Oh. Shoot. Shoot. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Grab it up. Grab it up. Good. Good. Sorry for cussing, Mom. Alright, you guys, it's me, Phil Heath, here over at the NPC headquarters, home of Jim Mannion himself. Just want to give a quick shout out to Jim, giving us an opportunity to come train in here. It's always pretty cool to go into an old school gym, really tight, congested, a lot of history in this place. And a lot of cool motivational pictures on the walls of previous champions, previous Mr.Olympias, guys like Ronnie Coleman, Dorian, Lee Haney, you name it. I mean, a lot of history, especially in Pittsburgh. Mr. Mannion has had the Pittsburgh Pro and NPC Pittsburgh for quite some time. Has really done I think an awesome job at building that NPC, the National Physique Committee, to what it is today. And also giving guys like me an opportunity to have my own show in the NPC. With the Phil Heath Classic in Houston, Texas. It's just, a privilege to be able to come in here with Flex Magazine and be able to film. So I just want to say thank you, Jim. I got a lot of sweat on your floor. I beat up the weights for you a little bit, but I promise I'll put them back. But shout out to you guys, and be sure to check out NPC News Online for more contest results, especially with the amateur ranks. We're getting ready to go over to the North Americans and go see all those champions, and really as an ambassador of the sport, try to give them a little bit of motivation, and even the guys that don't win, just say, hey, look, it's another avenue. You can go to the nationals, you can still train harder, and this and that. That's what it's about. But I can't help but to acknowledge a pioneer in our sport with Jim, and giving guys like me an opportunity to make a great living here in the United States and all over the world, with the NPC. So thank you.
Yes, there are delts and arms underneath this shirt, and they're real, all real. Oh wait, it's in the title.
Come on!
Two. One more. Easy. Go.
Oh, I got this.
Control it. There you go. Good. Three on the control. 2. One more, Phil. One more.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
Oh. Too much on my mind.
Controlling them. There you go. Control it, eccentric. That's it. Good. Okay, give me 4, and then we're gonna have thumbs up. Give me 4. 1. Good. Come on, Phil. 2. Come on. 3. Come on. 1 more. Good. Now thumbs up. Go. Go. 6. 3. Control.
One more for these fucks. 2 more for these fucks.
Come on.
3. Oh.
Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Light. Easy. What?
They're messing with a whole nother dude this year, man. They're out of their minds. They started it. You guys started it. They said, oh, he's angry after the Olympia. They started it. Why are you so angry?
Angry Phil.
I can crack a smile like this. Woo! Hey man, 4 weeks out. I should be happy. Everybody else is suffering. But I ain't suffering because I can breathe here. This ain't no mile high air. This is easy.
One more. Wow. Push that right. 8. 2 more. Easy. Just up. Good. Easy. Just up. Good. Catch your breath. You got 10 seconds. Yep. Yep. Let's go. Come on. Yep. Gotta go. Come on. 5. Come on. 4. Come on. 3. That's 5.
4.
Let's go. Come on. Five. Come on, 5. 1. 1 set. Last one. one. Come on. Focus, focus, Phil. Focus, Phil. 10 reps. Let's go. The 9,000 special. Let's go. Up. 2. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 5.
9,000! Yeah! Yeah!
Yep. 4 weeks out. NBC Warehouse. Carnegie, PA. 2-time Mr. Olympia Phil Heath, soon to be 3-time. I say 3-time because I don't train for second. You might want to call it cocky or arrogant. You don't go to a job interview to not get the job. You don't study to fail the test, especially when you are the best. Feeling really good, man. You guys have no idea. Motivation is at an all-time high at the moment. Been through one hell of a year. In more areas just than bodybuilding. But I appreciate everything you guys have done to support the sport, all its athletes, including myself. Shout out to my trainer, Honey Rambod, the best trainer in all of bodybuilding. Yep, I said it. I meant it. We were here in PA to represent it. You know, we're just having a great time, you know, training hard, training smart, having fun. We get after it. And it's always an honor and a privilege to actually have a friend to train you, but to want to push you to newer heights. I'm just very excited. I mean, I can't help but to say how excited I am. I'm in a great, awesome position as being the champ, being an ambassador of the sport. But most importantly, I mean, just going against all these amazing guys. I mean, all these guys are getting ready for the Olympia or are going to be more likely Hall of Famers at some point. And I think that's why I'm trying to train as hard as I can, train as smart as I can, and have as much fun as I can, because I want to enjoy this experience. And I'm just very blessed to have a trainer here, you know, to help push me through. Because around this time of the year, you know, you get ready for a show, your strength can decline. And sometimes, you know, even with your friends at the gym and stuff telling you how great you are, you don't need that. You need someone that's going to be a little bit more critical, a little bit more, they're going to push you. And that's what he did. So shout out to Honey, shout out to Muscle Tech, shout out to flexonline.com, all the guys over at Reader AMI. And yes, all of you fans, Generation Iron will be in theaters September 20th. Not on DVD yet, in theaters. Be sure to check it out. Not just myself, got Branch Warren, Dennis Horrell, Keita Tada, Kai Green, Ben Bukolski, Jay Cutler, Lou Ferrigno, even appearances with Arnold. All these amazing guys, narrated by Mickey Rourke. The guys over at the Flatter Company. You know, shout out to you guys. You know, it's a dream come true being a Mr. Olympia and actually being able to film, you know, being an actual film. Every kid out there that wants to be a bodybuilder, hey, we're living the dream, and hopefully you guys can take this workout, make it your own, and maybe someday you can be a pro, if not Mr. Olympia, be in the movies, and have a great time. Traveling all around the world, getting ready for these shows. It's just, like I said, I can't help but to say it's an honor and a privilege. But like I said, I mean, we're getting ready to leave. I gotta cut it. But before I go, just want to say thank you all for watching. I hope you guys were able to gather some of the tips and secrets that myself and Hani have worked on over the past eight years. I can't believe it's been 8 years. But it's just been a really cool experience, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And once again, thanks for picking up the Flex magazine with yours truly on the cover. And be sure to go to the Olympia, because it's going to be an amazing event. I promise you that. You know, it's that's it, guys. Until next time, number 13.